I Create Volume is one of my favorite products. I love this product because it gives me so much moisture and shine. You may not need a lot of product. For me, I use anywhere from a dime to nickel size amount. Once I pour the product into my hands, I gently emulsify. When applying this product to your hair, you could use your hands or a comb. I prefer to use my hands, and I like to glide the product through from root to ends. I make sure that I saturate every single hair, as this will help to deliver optimum volume and shine. One of my favorite things about this product is that it has aloe in it. Aloe helps to deliver such great slip to your hair. If you have curly hair, you know that this is super important. You want to be able to get through all of your hair without tangling and snagging. After using this product, you could leave it and let it air dry, but I prefer to use the diffuser. This gives me optimum volume in my hair. When drying my hair, I like to take each section and push up the hair all the way to the scalp. This ensures that I will get the optimum volume I'm looking for. I place the hair into the diffuser, making sure to coil it all the way up into my roots. It is very important that you do not touch your hair while you're drying. If you don't want frizz and you want to make sure that you have ultimate definition, it's really important that you dry the hair using only the diffuser. Once the hair is dried completely, it's okay to go in and fluff the roots and separate curl by curl. I like a lot of volume, so for me, I need to go in and tease and separate the curls so that I have really big hair. Not only do I love this product for my own hair, I use it every day behind the chair in the salon. I can use it on every texture, from straight to tight coils. I love that it delivers hydration, shine, and bounce, something that curly girls really struggle with. This product has changed my life.